Hello, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 5440 North Landing Creek Place in Northwest Meridian. Super great central location, close to the new Costco, Walmart, shoppings, the best restaurants around, etc. This house is built in 2014. The original owner, only one person, so it's been very lightly lived in. It's built by Hayden Homes, and this is probably their most popular floor plan, called the Hudson. And it's kind of the perfect floor plan, with a split floor plan with the master on one end of the house and the two other bedrooms on the other side. Very low yard maintenance. Nice proud exterior with a nice slope away from the home, which keeps water out of your crawl space. As you can see, we're heading into the Christmas season here. You have a nice tall garage door. I've got the dimensions if you want those, with the windows on there. It's got a convenient door over here on the side to put the trash cans on the side of the house. Full rain gutters. And I like this security glass screen door here. This is great to be able to keep the door open in the summer, springtime, late, early fall. And as you walk into the house, one of the things you'll notice is just the extensive wood flooring throughout the house and the beautiful wood door. Okay, we've got a nice long entry here. You have a coat closet up here on the left, flat panel electrical, and the kind of the sun valley or flat texturing throughout the house. And immediately on our left is the bedroom number 1. It can also be used as an office. It's upgraded with the French doors in here. Here's your closet. Nice big windows. Notice the full wood wrap around the windows. 2x6 construction. Very neutral paint colors, but I love that it's got the bright white trim. Again, very delineated plan where you've got the 2 bedrooms over here on this side of the house, and the master will be over on that side. So you got the bathroom in between the 2 bedrooms here. The nice raised vanity, rubbed oil bronze hardware, tile black backsplash, the window above the dual shower tub combo there, vinyl sheet flooring in there, and bedroom number 2. This one's wired here for a TV in the guest bedroom. Very cool light fixture up there. Again, full wood wrap windows. This also has the built-in closet organizer, which is a really nice feature. And notice the kind of the darker, I don't know if it's considered a rubbed oil bronze, but the lever type of upgraded hardware. Notice the architectural touch here with the archway built in. It's very nice. Off to our right is the laundry room with some added upper cabinets there that match the kitchen. And further to my right is the garage entry, which we'll come back to. There is a door here, by the way. It's just open all the way. Okay, my favorite part of the house is this nice big open family room with the 9-foot ceilings in here, lots of recessed can lighting. This is north facing. And so, I'm sorry, this is facing east. And so through here, you get a partial glimpse of the Boise Mountain Range, which is kind of cool. See Bogus up there. Nice, small, low maintenance backyard. Plenty of room for dining here. So I'm standing right now parallel with the couch. And if you had a bigger event going on, you'd have room to extend the table out as much as you want. Plus you've got the very open kitchen where you can walk through on this side or this side. And nice big bar area where you can seat 4 or 5 chairs there. I believe this is Baltic brown granite. I know it's granite, but I think that's the actual color name. Full tile backsplash, very neutral colored cabinets in here with the crown molding on them. I think on video it yellows them out more than they are when you see them in person. Lots of counter cabinet space in here, as well as you've got the pantry here. Look at all those upper cabinets. It's just a nice high count of cabinets. Then of course you've got the gas range, stainless steel appliances, including the dishwasher, which has hardly ever been used. She tends to do her dishes by hand. And a nice big deep sink here with the tall faucet as well, which makes it nice if you've got a big spaghetti pot or something like that. Okay, on to the master bedroom. Again, the hardwood surface areas throughout all the main walking areas. Okay, into the master. Got it, nice big windows. I believe the dimensions are 14 by 13 or right around there. This is a big queen size bed, but as you can see, you've got definitely a room for a king. You've got all this extra space not being used. Have an oversized transom window here. You've got the faux blinds in. And into the master bathroom, you've got the raised vanities with his and her sinks in here. The vinyl sheet flooring. Nice light fixture. Nice big shower with 2 benches built in. Nice and tall spigot up there. You've got the huge walk-in closet here. As you can see, all the space that you have with a shelf and plenty of room to hang all your clothes in here. This is just a area rug. Some open counter space here and a private commode. All right, let's go out to the garage now. Okay, we're gonna head out to the garage. And as you can see, got plenty of room for your washer and dryer here. Notice the extra deadbolt here on the door out to the garage, a little extra security feature. And we head out to the garage. One of the first things you'll notice is that it was lovingly painted, which is smart. It keeps that drywall tape from getting yucky looking. Nice wide garage door, nice and tall. The owner has the people who installed the garage door open originally come out twice a year and check on it, make sure everything is operating properly. So just very good maintenance records on that. Homeowner also takes care of the water heater by insulating it, which I don't see very often actually. That's a smart thing to always do. Now here's another thing I rarely see is, in Idaho we call this the man door. This goes out to the side of the house. But an additional screen door was added here, which was very clever. Summertime, maybe you want to open up your garage, let some airflow in, or do a project out here or work out. It's a nice feature. Okay, leaving the garage, you'll notice that homeowner also added this kick plate here. That's always smart, especially when you're coming in with the groceries and you just want to give it a little kick. Come on in. And I'll take you out to the backyard now. Okay, heading out to the back now, we've got the slider. We've got the extended patio out here. Vinyl fencing on the back. And notice that your neighbor is set back here, but no windows really prominently staring into your backyard. It's not like you have a big 2-story there. And just a very low maintenance backyard. Easy to take care of. Same thing is true over here. Again, they've got she's got a solar light going on over here. You've got the perimeter lava bark coming out, which is always a good idea as far as keeping water away from your crawl space. You have the vented eave here, and again, full gutters. with extenders going out, again, moving that water away from the house. The fence is also stained, which just shows even more pride of ownership. And you'll even notice over here next to the fence, adding the permabark, which keeps you from damaging the vinyl fence with your trimmer, weed whacker, whatever you want to call it. Also out here we have the cap for a gas line if you wanted to do a gas barbecue. Okay, I think that concludes the tour. You'll see a lot more online, more information about the neighborhood. If you have any problems or want to give me a call if you're interested in the property, ask your agent, or if you don't have one, you can reach me, 208-340-0000. Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group. Thank you so much.